thought we'd come up today and check on them. The falls is really running good. I'll try to get a little bit of that in there. You can just see the water coming over there on the edge. Now I'll zoom back so we get a perspective where that nest location is. I'll come in slow. We've been scanning the area. We haven't seen anything flying yet. There's that big dark crack, and there's that green patch right there. It's right above this green patch. Alright, she got up and she's moving around the nest now, checking out a few things. A peregrine falcon, Snoqualmie Falls. Well, now we know that the nest is pretty much underway. She must be incubating now. And just got up for a break. Well, look at that, would you? Yeah, now she's, I think she's rotating the eggs around. So it looks like she's going to try to settle back down on them. Yeah, she's settling back down on the eggs now. Well, how cool is this? I'll keep it running. We're running a soundtrack here, and you can hear the falls. Yeah, she just stood up and rotated the eggs, kind of moving around a little bit. It's nice and warm now today. Oh yeah.